Blend number 25, Citrus Flower-Quat, Disinfectant Cleaner, Mildewstat, Fungicide, Virucide, Deodorizer. This highly concentrated product, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 20 gallons of solution per concentrated case. With a neutral pH, used for the daily maintenance of finished floors without negatively impacting the gloss. The broad-spectrum activity kills an extensive list of pathogens, and the one-step operation saves time and money with reduced inventory. In one easy step, clean, disinfect, and deodorize water-washable surfaces with the pleasant signature citrus flower fragrance.